again. Let's wait for one more minute because I think we're still missing. Who else we're missing? Hi, Filan. Oh,
I just came
okay.
here.
We're still missing Mark, but it's okay. I think Mark will join us shortly. So, how is everybody doing? Have you finished with the worksheet?
Nope.
Huh? But I
Only
hope.
the last part.
But
Only the last part.
Okay, the last part, just leave it at that.
Time to print it.
Yes, we're gonna do that later. We're gonna do that later, yeah. Okay, but I would like to start by asking you about the video that you watch. Is it difficult or is it easy to understand? Are there any difficult words that you don't know?
I just read this. I didn't watch the video.
You didn't watch the video, okay. I also give you the transcript for the video just to help you to understand about it. Who have watched the video? Raise your hand. Who have watched the video? 1, 2. Okay, only 2 people. Gian, have you watched the video?
No.
No, it's okay. All right, so we're gonna start with the worksheet. No. Let's start with the video first. So let me ask you what is the video about? Those who have already watched the video, can you please tell me what's the video about? Let me start with Elle because Elle already watched the video. Elle? Hi Mark, welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, I'm glad to have you here. All right, we will start with Elle, okay? Elle, can you tell me what is the video about? Elle, I think you need to turn on the microphone. The microphone is off.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, can you tell me what the video about?
It's about planet Earth.
It's about planet Earth. Jera, can you add a little bit more about the video? It's about planet Earth. And what do you learn from the video?
How we save it?
How you save the planet Earth?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, who else already watched the video? Besides Elle and Jera, who else already watched the video? Not yet, Phila, not yet, Gia, not yet. Okay, Chechi. All right, now let's move on because only 2 people watched the video. Let's do the worksheet. Let me share the worksheet for you, okay? Hang on 1 minute. Let me share it with you. Done. Where is the worksheet? The worksheet is gone. No, it's here. It's here.
Uh-oh.
No, it's here. Okay. 1 minute. I'm going to share the worksheet with you. Okay, so this is the worksheet that that is connected with the video. Yeah. So the first part is vocabulary. So I'm gonna call your name. Mem nanti panggil dong punya nama-nama ya. I'm gonna call your name, I think. And I'm gonna have you tell me the word for each picture. So let's start with Yumiko. What's the word for the first picture here, the one I'm pointing now? This one. Yumiko?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. What's the word for this one?
Rubbish.
Rubbish. Okay. That's rubbish. Yes. What about this one? Jera? Plant. What about Chechi? What's this one, Chechi?
Tree.
That's a tree. And then let's have Philan. What's this one?
Factory.
Factory. Okay. Gian, what's this one over here?
The Arctic.
The Arctic. Okay. And then Grace, what's this one over here?
Paper.
Paper. And then let's have Mark for this one. Mark.
Ocean.
Ocean. And then let's have who else? Siapa lagi yang belum? Gian again. Gian, this one.
Sun.
Sun. And what about this one? Anybody?
Farm.
Farm, yes. L, the last two for L.
Animals and forest.
Okay, animal and forest. We will come back to those words after this, but we will move on to number 2. This one. After watching the story, write the missing words in the sentences. Now, this helps if you already watched, but because you haven't, let's just play a guessing game. And some of you who have already watched can tell whether it's right or wrong. Okay, let's start with Jera. Can you read the sentence with the answers all together? So don't say blah blah blah. Just read it with the answer.
Trees clean the air and produce oxygen for us to breathe.
Okay, again sayang. Tadi agak putus-putus, mem. Saya dengar bagian depannya.
Okay. Trees clean the air and produce oxygen for us to breathe.
Okay. Now, one correction untuk pengucapan oxygen, not oxygen, but oxygen. Oxygen. Okay, can you read it again, please?
Okay. Trees clean the air and produce
oxygen. Coba.
Oxygen.
Produce oxygen.
Oxygen. Oxygen. For us to breathe.
Okay, well done. Next, let me have Ceci. Ceci yang C, this one. Ceci? Yes, can you read, please?
The ocean are home to millions of marine animals.
Okay, very good. Nah, ini Mem sering perhatikan bukan cuma Ceci tapi yang lain juga ketika bilang home, you pronounce it, kalian mengucapkannya sebagai home, bukan home tapi home. Coba semua ulang, home. Home. Yes. So the ocean, bukan the tapi the oceans are home to millions of marine animals. The oceans are home to millions of marine animals. Can I have Ceci to repeat again? Ceci boleh ulang lagi? Kayak tadi baca.
Yes.
Thank you. Coba.
The ocean are home to millions of marine animals.
Well done. Marine animals. Bagus. D. Yang D. Let me give this to, let me see. Yumiko. Yuhu, Yumiko, are you there? Oke, Yumiko kayaknya tidak ada. Gian, can I have Gian to do D, yang huruf D punya?
They absorb the sun's heat and transfer to the atmosphere.
Atmosphere, very good. They. Ada satu lah yang Melena mau bilang nih. Biasanya kalau orang luar negeri itu dorang bisa pronounce kata yang pakai huruf TH. Do you know bagaimana caranya kita pronounce kata yang ada huruf TH di depan? Do you know? Ada yang tahu? Karena kalau bilang contohnya kata mereka yang ada di sini nih. Ini diucapkannya bukan they, tapi they. They. Coba semua bikin they. They ya. Jadi jangan bacanya they, bukan huruf D, bukan they, bukan T juga. Tapi they. Ada kayak getar-getarnya, aduh, getar-getaran. Ada getarannya di bibir. They, oke? Nanti kita latihan lebih lanjut lagi ya. So, okay, well done, Gian. Next we are going to move to bukan Ricky tetapi Mark. Di sini tulisannya Ricky. Pak Mark nomor E, yang E please. Can you read and also the answer?
At opposite ends of the world, the Arctic and Antarctic are freezing cold lands.
Oke, well done. Nah, ini juga kata yang paling sering Melena dengar orang pronounce akan keliru. Bagaimana cara kita pronounce ini? Ada yang tahu bagaimana? So, kalau dibaca opposite, itu artinya kita potong opo yang HP sama site. Tapi ini harusnya dibacanya agak beda. Anybody knows bagaimana cara bacanya? How do we pronounce? Yes? Siapa?
Opposite.
Opposite. Who said opposite?
Me.
L ya. Yes. So you have to pronounce it as opposite. Opposite, bukan opposite. Oke. Coba semua bilang ulang lagi opposite.
Opposite.
Opposite. Okay. So at opposite ends of the world, the Arctic and Antarctic are freezing cold lands. Oke, Mark boleh ulang satu kali supaya opposite-nya benar?
At opposite ends of the world, the Arctic and Antarctic are freezing cold lands.
Excellent. Next, Jera, F.
It is so cold that the sea is covered in ice.
Okay, well done. Perfect. Bagus. Number 9, Memo kasih dulu buat Yumiko. If Yumiko is here. Are you there, Yumiko? No, Yumiko? All right. We move on to Filan. Filan, G, rivers.
Rivers collect.
Ma'am, I'm blank.
Rivers collect rainwater and carry it to the oceans.
Okay, rivers collect rainwater. Okay, perfect. Well done. L, can you do H? L? Mhm. L, can you say it again?
Along the way, trees absorb and clean the water so it's safe for us to drink.
Okay. However, tadi tree sudah jawabannya sudah ada di B. So, what do you think can be put here? Kira-kira bisa pakai kata apa? Yes, Mark.
Yumiko said that
Yes,
I don't understand.
Yes, thank you, Mark. I'm replying to her now, sayang. So, L, can you replace tree with something else? What do you think you can replace it with? L, coba ganti trees-nya dengan yang lain. Bisa ganti dengan apa? Yang lain boleh bantu loh.
Plants.
Plants, yes.
Plants.
Correct. Berarti kalimatnya along the way, plants absorb clean water, so it is safe for us to drink. Oke. Kita lanjut dulu. Mem mau periksa saja nih. Wait, sebentar Mem balas Yumiko dulu ya. Yumiko mesti buka di Google Classroom dan ambil worksheet-nya. Worksheet-nya, and then you can open it. Kalau Nona buka, Nona bisa ikuti apa yang kita bikin sekarang karena teman-teman lain sudah akses, sudah kerja worksheet-nya. Oke? Coba dulu ya. Alright, Nona. Oke, let's continue to part 3, bagian 3. This one. Aha. So watch the story, find the mistake, underline it, and write the correct word. Jadi kalimat-kalimat ini dia mengikuti apa yang ditulis di video. Nah, tapi dia sengaja bikin kesalahan-kesalahan. Contohnya di bagian A ini, it says we destroy more than 36 football fields of oceans every minute. Seharusnya bukan ocean tetapi forest. Let's see now B. Let me have Filan to read this one, please.
Oh, why thousands of trees in paper and card every day?
Correct. Jadi yang salah di sini adalah kata plastiknya, harusnya paper. Okay, let me have C buat Jera.
A lot of the rubbish we produce on land pollutes the ocean.
Excellent, well done. D, let me have L, Patikawa. Turtles.
Turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and die when they eat them.
Yes, when they eat them. Can you imagine if they die just because they see a jellyfish? Ah, jellyfish full. Okay. Grace, E is for you, honey.
The fuel we use for energy makes the climate warmer.
Okay, let me correct pengucapan untuk ini ya, kata yang ini climate. Climate. Can you say it, Grace?
Climate.
Climate. Bukan climate, tapi climate. Climate. Coba.
Climate.
Okay, can you read it again then? Bisa ulang lagi kalimatnya saya?
The fuel we use for energy makes the climate
Climate.
warmer.
Okay, well done. Mark, you get F.
As it gets warmer, the ice melts and the sea rises. The land disappears.
Well done. The land disappears. Very good. Let me have Yumiko, are you ready? Bisa sekarang atau kayaknya Yumiko need some time ya? We move to Gian deh.
Farms and factories pollute the rivers with pesticides and chemicals.
Very good. Pesticide and chemicals. Next, H, I will give this to Chechi.
Every day, we each flush about 50 liters of water down the toilet.
Down the toilet, yes. Tadi flushnya sudah betul, tapi kalau bilang flush, kita bikin monyongkan bibirnya, dimonyongkan lebih flush. Flush. Supaya dengar sh-nya lebih kentara, okay? Alright, well done. Let me see. Can anybody explain to me, menjelaskan dengan kata-katanya sendiri ya, explain to me what does jellyfish, what is a jellyfish, sorry. Saya kasih mati ini dulu ya, share dulu. Now, what is a jellyfish? Can anybody explain to me? Ubur-ubur, but you have to explain it to me in English. What is jellyfish?
A jellyfish is a fish.
Jellyfish, is jellyfish a fish?
It lives underwater. That it lives below the water. That the deepest water.
The deepest water. So jellyfish is a fish that lives below the water?
I don't think so. I don't think it's a fish.
You don't think it's a fish. Can anybody describe what is a jellyfish to me? What is a jellyfish, by the way? Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, kalau kita jelaskan dalam bahasa Indonesia, jellyfish itu apa ya? Ubur-ubur. Oke, ubur-ubur itu apa?
Makhluk hidup.
Makhluk hidup. That's very good. Makhluk hidup. Tapi kalau ditanya ubur-ubur itu makhluk hidup belum lengkap. Orang belum bisa membayangkan jellyfish ini apa. Siapa yang bisa jelaskan lebih detail lagi? Lebih spesifik. Apa itu jellyfish atau ubur-ubur? A jellyfish is makhluk hidup, bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya? Ada yang tahu makhluk hidup? Atau makhluk? Dia dimulai dengan huruf C. C.
Creature.
Yes, okay. Is yang hidup. Creature yang hidup. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa tuh? Jellyfish is a
Live creature.
living creature.
Mm.
Yes. Atau a creature that lives di mana? Di mana dia tinggal?
Under the sea.
Ocean.
Under the sea, in the ocean. Oke. Nah, kira-kira kalau Anda belum pernah lihat jellyfish sama sekali, lalu orang bilang itu makhluk hidup yang tinggal di laut. Bisa membayangkan jellyfish tidak? Can you imagine jellyfish? No. Jellyfish itu
No.
jellyfish itu bentuknya kayak gimana? Warnanya apa? Ada berapa tangan? Contohnya, for example.
Her tentacle.
Okay. How many tentacles?
I don't know.
Let's say if you don't know how many tentacles, what do you say? Kalau kamu tidak tahu ada berapa tentacles, kalian bisa pakai kata apa?
Many tentacles.
Many tentacles. Yeah. So kalau kita gabung berarti jadi it is a creature that lives under the sea. The creature have many tentacles. And bedanya sama nanti kalau bilang many tentacles, I will think about gurita, octopus. Kalau gitu gimana caranya kita menjelaskan untuk membedakan octopus sama jellyfish?
With the color.
With the color. Okay. How do you describe the color?
I think the jellyfish is kind of transparent, while the octopus can change into colors, some
Right.
colors.
Okay. So don't talk about the octopus. We're going to talk about jellyfish. So jellyfish is transparent. So now we have jellyfish is a living creature. It lives underwater. It has many tentacles. Its body is transparent. Now, who can combine all that into a sentence that define or describe a jellyfish? Siapa yang bisa? I'll give you 2 minutes to think. Yang bisa angkat tangan.
I'm not good with sentences, so no.
Come on, you have to. So, okay, Mark, can you do it, Mark? So this ability in English, ini kemampuan ini dalam bahasa Inggris is your ability to make sentence, to describe something in details. Nah, all of you have very good English already. Kalian semua sudah punya kemampuan bahasa Inggris yang cukup baik. Ya. So I am going to push you, so mau mendorong kalian to use that sentence to describe something, to use your amazing brain to think about how to define something. Okay, so I'm going to give you 1 more minute, 1 menit lagi, to describe the jellyfish. So yang data-data yang kita sudah punya adalah it is a living creature or it's living somewhere. The creature is alive. It's living under the sea. It has many tentacles and what is the other one? The color is transparent. Can you combine all that into a sentence? You can write it down and then read it back to me. Write down your definition of a jellyfish. You can add. Tadi Mem sebut 4. Makhluk hidup tinggalnya di bawah laut, punya banyak tentacles dan warnanya transparent. But if you want to add any other facts, you can do that. Nanti setelah ini, I will give each one of you a word. Setelah ini, Mem kasih masing-masing satu kata yang kemudian that you will then have to describe in English. Oh, Yumiko already give me a very good answer. I will read Yumiko's answer later. I'm gonna give the opportunity for everybody to make their own definition dulu. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. And what's another one? Okay. Eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Okay, I'm going to do the countdown. Hitung mundur ya from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
I'm done.
1. Okay. And 0. Ta-da! All right, Yumiko is already done. Can anybody everybody finish? Siapa yang sudah selesai? No? Siapa yang sudah setengah selesai? Half done. Setengah selesai.
So hard.
Oh, it's not hard. Okay. Yumiko, can you please read yours?
Okay. A jellyfish is a creature that lives underwater, and a jellyfish is transparent.
And jellyfish is transparent. There you go. Done. A jellyfish.
Ma'am, I forgot the other word.
It's all right. It is many tentacles. Tentacles. Who can spell tentacles?
Okay.
How do you spell tentacles? Tentacles. Yeah, tentacles. So, apa namanya? A jellyfish is creature that lives underwater. It has many tentacles and the color is transparent. Just that. Masa itu susah? It is not difficult. Cuma kayaknya kalian jarang-jarang deh disuruh bikin kalimat kayak gini. So, after this, okay, I'm gonna give you another word. Satu kata lagi, and let's see siapa yang paling cepat dapat bisa bikin katanya. So, your word is earth. Earth. Set, tulis di chat. Earth. Who can define earth? Siapa yang bisa bikin kalimat yang mendefinisikan atau menjelaskan apa itu earth? Earth adalah bumi. Bumi. No, bumi.
I know.
Alright, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 menit lagi. Kita tunggu yang lain dulu. Oke, siap-siap. Sudah hampir habis waktu. Wih, bless you. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yumiko, 1 second. Jangan sebut dulu. Selain Yumiko, ada lain yang sudah? Yang bisa describe what is Earth? No. Grace, yes please, Grace.
The earth is a dwelling place for living creatures. On earth, there are also many natural beauties such as mountains, seas, and many more.
Okay, good. Well done. You ada yang lain lagi? Filan, Jaira, El, Mark, Ceci, atau Gian? No? Okay. Yumiko, can I hear yours?
Mine is so short.
Okay, let me hear it.
Earth is a planet where humans and other living creatures live.
Yes, itu short but very good. I like that Yumiko punya pendek dan to the point. And then we have Grace punya yang pakai kata. There's a new word that Grace used. The kata dwelling. Dwell itu artinya tinggal. Ya, so it's a good word of the day. Alright, now setelah ini Memo kasih tugas seorang dapat satu kata. So I'm gonna ask you one by one to choose one number from 1 to 8. Dari 1 sampai 8. Kamu pilih angka nomor berapa. So let's start with Filan. Filan nomor berapa?
Wait a minute, miss. I'm still thinking.
Between 1 to 8.
1 to 8. Okay.
Yes. Between 1 to 8, what is your number?
4.
4. So, nanti baru Mem taruh di chat. Supaya jangan semua nanti. This one is Filan. Okay. Next to me, di Mem punya screen ini adalah Jera. Nomor 4 sudah diambil, tidak boleh diambil lagi. 1 to 8. 5. Jera. And then Grace.
2.
2. Okay. Grace. And then we have L.
7.
7. Okay. Ceci. What number do you want, Nona? Tinggal 1, 3, okay, 6. All right. And then Mark. What number do you want? 1, 3, and 8. 3? Okay. Yumiko, football or football. Yumiko apa? Katanya?
1.
Number 1. Okay. Hang on, Yumiko. And Gian dapatnya number 8 ya. Okay. So I'm gonna give you one word. Tapi nanti Mem kayaknya kirimnya di WhatsApp aja supaya teman-teman lain tidak tahu kata apa yang Mem kasih ke dorang. And then when we come back, kalau nanti setelah ini kita kasih mati dulu Zoom-nya. And then when we come back, your job is to describe that to your friend, and your friend will guess what is the word yang kamu lagi describe ini apa. Okay? So I'm gonna WhatsApp you setelah ini. Masing-masing di Japri. Apa tuh Japri? Oh, Japri. I don't know what is Japri. Oh, jalur pribadi. Oh my God. Brain fog. Okay, so ini yang sementara kita buat. It looks like a game, but this is actually a very good practice untuk writing in terms of sentence structure, struktur kalimat, but also speaking, but because you have to speak later. Tapi juga Anda harus kasih siap kalimat dengan struktur kalimat yang baik dan benar. All of you have already good English. Nah, ada one rule. There is one rule. You cannot Google the word. You cannot Google the word. You cannot put it on Google Translate. You must think by yourself. Okay? Cannot Google, cannot open the dictionary. So it has to be all you. Okay?
We can
Yes.
ask kamu.
Yes.
Okay, so nanti tunggu. Setelah ini baru Mem WhatsApp ya, satu-satu. But there's another one that I would like to show you. Ada satu lagi yang Mem harus kasih tunjuk buat Anda, kepada kalian semuanya. Adalah here. Where is it? Here. Oke, ini kalau kalian lihat, if you see here, hari ini 13 Juli ada selain Planet Earth Activity, ada 2 hal lagi yang harus kalian lakukan. Kalau nanti sudah selesai bikin definisi, kalian boleh lanjut dengan yang ini kalau masih ada banyak waktu. Here, ada question yang dibilang bahwa, hi everyone, we have learned a lot about blah blah blah. I want to hear about your ideas. Nah, ideas jangan untuk save protect our planet. Jangan bilang reduce dan recycle. That's like so yesterday. Semua orang sudah bilang, I want you to think about something new, something that is your ideas. Yeah, we are going to use that big brain of yours, the amazing brain that you have. And then next is yang bagian terakhir. Yang ada gambarnya ini, later, gak harus sekarang. If you have time, you can do it now, but if not, we do it after. Foto aja bagian yang 4th ini, bagian 4, and then submit it here. Nanti kumpulnya di situ. Okay? So, I'm gonna WhatsApp you. We're going to stop the Zoom now, and then I'm gonna give you berapa menit? 15 to 20 menit, 15 sampai 20 menit to do to do the definition, and if you have time, you can also continue to do yang tanggal 13 Juli punya ini. Maybe this one first. Kalau nggak selesai nggak apa-apa, nanti bisa dilanjutkan lagi. It's fine. Do you understand?
Understand.
Alright. So now kita tutup dulu Zoom-nya. I'm gonna WhatsApp you your work, and then the time 20 minutes will start from now. See you later.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bukan bye-bye. See you later.
Yeah,
See you later. See you later.
Itu